Hey, what's up, everyone? Seth from Wandering Gaijin Tuning. So we're just getting back in after the race Matsuri weekend. Most of you have already heard from Donald over at Pinku Style. You know, it didn't go quite as planned, right? So that's racing. Um, I just wanted to speak out so no one starts talking drama or thinks there's like bad feelings between me and Donald for what happened. None at all, man. We've known each other for a really long time. The car ran great. As far as the motor, we finally got that motor really dialed in. Unfortunately, that we were one of 8 cars, I think, that hit that wall this week. And we were probably the worst to hit it. So give you an idea for everyone that's wondering, hey, what's going on? Is the car salvageable? Whatnot. So you can see where it impacted right here. He basically hit head on. The only downside is that firewall did buckle back here, so it did push the strut tower back. I don't know if everyone can see that, but the strut tower is actually back from where it should be. So a total at this point. So what's the plan? Right now, Donald's working on a new chassis for us for a long-term build with the 2JZ that's sitting back there in the corner. More to follow on that as we get ready to reveal that. Not quite ready to show that off or talk about those plans yet. Stay tuned in the next couple months for that. However, what's going to happen, we picked up this E36 Saloon chassis a while back from our friends over at Drift Mob as part of an engine deal all around. It's already been caged. It's been sitting for quite a while, but it's already been caged. It's already got dual calipers in the back, some bride seats that will be selling off more than likely. Got a radiator there for it. It's already got the fuel cell in the back, which we'll switch out for the radium setup. Can't open that right now. And what's more important is it's set up for R200 diff already and an RB25 engine. So what we'll do is we're going to rip the whole drivetrain out of the Skyline, get this cleaned up, and we're going to attempt to just drop it straight in. I suspect we're going to run into some difficulties, things like the exhaust manifold, the turbo placement. We're going to need to do some relocation, possibly get a different exhaust manifold, things of that nature. And yeah, we'll go from there. So wish us luck. I'll keep you guys updated and stay tuned for more racing.